Let us start with question 8 of chapter 5, admission revaluation account. Example we are doing that after admission how the accounts to be prepared. Okay, here the question is, that is Abha and Bina are the partners in the firm sharing profit and loss. Old ratio 2:1 underline. Their balance sheet on 31st March 17 given. The informations are given. They admitted Rushil as a new partner on 1/4/17 with the following condition, that Rushil will bring 1 lakh as a capital, 24,000 as a goodwill. Value of land and building increased by 17,000. Machine is to be decreased by 32,000. Provision for bad debt reserve 10,000 on data. Provision outstanding electricity bill to be done 1100. And new profit sharing ratio 2:1. Old is given, new is given, sacrifice is to be calculated based on that. Past journal entry, prepare revaluation account, partners capital account, cash and bank account, and balance sheet after admission. So here the main three things to be done. Journal entry as we are doing earlier also. So I will just keep on saying the journals. Here the example is revaluation account you are doing. In this you have machinery account. Machinery value decrease. Machine account to be decreased by 8,000. So it's a loss for you. Bad debt reserve to be maintained. So bad debt reserve to be maintained with 10%, that is 400. Then you have outstanding electricity bill. Bill or a expense or a provision, what you can call it out. Land and building value is increasing. So buy land and building. Building 17,000. These many things are there. So you can close an account. 17,000 is the higher side total. Put it same on the opposite side. Find the difference. You are going to get the difference 7,500. This to be distributed among the partner. So two capital account. Their old ratio is 2:1 given to us. First A and B. Both the partners in 2:1. Partner A going to get 5,000. Partner B going to get 2,500. So what the journal entries are? That land and building account debit to revaluation account credit. Here revaluation account debit to machine account credit. Revaluation debit to BDR account credit. Revaluation debit to outstanding electricity bill are debit. Okay, credit. Then you have partners capital. So revaluation account debit to partners capital account credit. So this will journal to be done. Let us do the partners capital account. Begin with the opening balance. You have buy balance brought down. Amount is 80. First partner is having 80,000. Second partner is having 60,000. No balance for the new partner. Then you have the general reserve to be distributed in 2:1 ratio, 12,000 and 6,000. Clear? Then you have workman compensation fund. So that is workman compensation reserve also to be distributed in the old ratio, 2:1, 1,500. What is going to be journal for all this? General reserve account debit, workman compensation reserve account debit to partners capital account, the total of these two figure. Then one more you have, that is investment. Investment fluctuation fund, that also to be distributed in the same manner, 1,500. Now the new partner is bringing cash towards the capital. So to buy cash account, you are posting 1 lakh rupee as he is bringing. He also brings for the premium of goodwill. Premium of goodwill. That to be distributed among the partner in their sacrifice ratio, that is 16,000. One is going to get 8,000. Second one is going to get. Total he is bringing 24,000. So 24,000 into 2/3. If you do, you are going to get 16,000. Like that 1/3, 8,000. Then the revaluation profit, what we have got, that is revaluation profit to be distributed as we have done 5,000 and 2,500. Clear? So the journal entry also I have said for the capital you can say cash account debit to R's capital account. In the same way cash account to premium of goodwill account. Now whatever goodwill is there that to be distributed. The old goodwill exists in the old balance sheet. So 12,000 and 6,000 among the old partner in that 2:1 ratio. You have the advertisement campaigns expense you have, that is what to be distributed, that is 4,000 and 2,000 in the same 2:1 ratio. So here what is going to be your journal entry? Capital account debit to goodwill account and capital account debit to advertisement campaigns account. So capital of A, capital of B debit to that respective account. Now if you close the account, you are going to get this type of figures. Do the total 1,17,000, then you have 78,500, then you have 1 lakh. The difference you are going to get here. Draw the two lines because to show it is a final total 17,000, 78,500 and you have 1 lakh. Okay. Your difference is going to be, that is to balance, carry it down. In case of a first partner 1,01,000, second partner 70,500 and the new partner 1 lakh. This is your closing capital balance which is to be shown in our new balance sheet. Now cash account is already done over here. You have the opening cash balance 2,000. R is bringing capital in cash, so cash debit 1 lakh and premium of goodwill 24,000. The closing balance going to be 1,26,000. Now let us prepare the balance sheet. You can take the snapshot so that the solution remain with you. Okay. Now the last step, balance sheet to be prepared. Prepare the balance sheet, draw the pro forma. See here the working, whatever required is shown. You can do the working on your own. LCM will be over there 15 when you calculate balance sheet. Balance sheet as on. We are preparing balance sheet on the after an admission on the 1st of April. Okay. So prepare the balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 1/4/17. Okay. After admission of a partner. Liability side, asset side, amount rupees. You know the pro forma of balance sheet. Follow strictly the same pro forma. Capital, 3 partner, A, B and R. The way their closing capital we have calculated 1,01,000, 70,500. Check in your capital account so you will get the figures. Total is 2,71,500. Then you have creditors. There is no change. Copy the same figure. You have the bills payable. No change. 12,000 is the figure. And outstanding electricity bill. We have given one effect in our revaluation debit, second effect credit, that is balance sheet liability side. Now land and building. Building 72,000 you have, plus there is an increase to be added 17,000. Outer column going to be 89,000. Then machine, you have 40,000. There is a reduction, so decrease to be minus from machine 8,000. outer column 32,000. Then you have stock, there is no change, so write the same, stock 36,000. बच्चों एक चीज याद रखो कि आपको ये बैलेंस शीट और वो सारा ज्ञान 11th स्टैंडर्ड से है, हम यही करते हैं जो हम करते आए हैं. ओके, इसमें कुछ भी नई चीज नहीं है. Bad debt reserve to be maintained at 10%, so 2400 to be subtracted because you are reducing your data. 21,600. Investment is there 8,000, there is no change. And cash and bank, we have found the balance as per our cash and bank account 1,26,000. After doing all this, you do the total, you will be end up with the figure that is 3,12,000. Your basic knowledge, आपका जो बेसिक नॉलेज है फाइनल अकाउंट का, वही नॉलेज में थोड़ा सा प्लस माइनस होगा एज पर द नीड. एडमिशन है तो एडमिशन, रिटायरमेंट है तो सब्सट्रैक्शन. एडमिशन में एक पार्टनर बढ़ेगा, रिटायरमेंट में एक पार्टनर कम होगा. रिटायरमेंट में हम गेन रेशियो फाइंड करेंगे, एडमिशन में हम सेक्रीफाइस रेशियो फाइंड करेंगे. खाली गुडविल के लिए आपको सेक्रीफाइस रेशियो की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. वर्किंग हमने अपने रिवैल्यूएशन चैप्टर से सीखा है, तो वही अप्लाई करना है, उसी हिसाब से आपको फिगर्स फाइंड करने हैं. Go through the whole question, take the snapshot whenever required. स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो ताकि आपके पास फिगर्स आ जाए. You like the video? Write the comment section. Whatever comments you have, some questions you have, write it down. Feel free, understand. और अच्छे से शेयर करो, अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी समझाओ, सिखाओ, उनके साथ भी आप करो, तो आपके जो छोटे मोटे कोई भी क्वेरीज है वो आप अंदर अंदर भी समझ के कर सकते हो. इस तरह से हम कंटिन्यूअसली चैप्टर्स करते जाएंगे और धीरे धीरे कॉन्सेप्ट्स को समझते जाएंगे. थैंक यू.